Hi, hello everybody. How are you all? I think you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty. So now today is still now currently on the road. It's actually main road and um walking, and at the same time I went to market because of I have withdrawn some money from Bkas, so that's why I went to market, and it's actually near my home. It takes time to arrive, almost 5 to 10 minutes. So it's not a big time. So actually today is sunny day, and as we can see, and I'm making this video at the same time, and it's my new experience to making this video actually main road, as we can see. I didn't make any videos before in main road, and so that's why I'm trying to making this video. And most of the people, I mean several people, they are seeing me exactly what I am saying alone. So they are very, I don't know, they are thinking what should I do. So I continue making my video because of I know I got to learn English by anyhow. So that's why I'm making this video in front of everyone and in front of camera and in front of main road. So this is the things, and as you can see, this is my village. It's my actually village, and I already told my another video. My village name is Parnapur, and it's Lamra district, Rampur division. As we can see, it's natural situation. As we can see, this is my village area, and at the same time I'm going to my home and I'm walking. Today I wake up at 10 a.m. with late because of yesterday I went to sleep almost 3 a.m. night. It's almost midnight up, so that's why I wake up too late. I mean 10 a.m. So as you can see, with my place, and it's actually home, it's my uncle home. As you can see, I can try to show it's my uncle home. As you can see, we are not rich, we are poor family, so that's why its own situation is not good. It's my uncle home, and I'm going to my home. I will try to show my home. Just wait and watch. As we can see, today is hot. I mean, it's actually today is sunny day. As we can see, it's our village area. As we can see, just paddy field. They are just planted almost. Use of project in this hair, as you can see. And I'm trying to show these positions, as we can see. And at the same time, I'm practicing English, and I know I should practice when I get a chance. So that's why I'm making this video in front of everyone, as you can see. Okay, I have come already my home. This is my home, as you can see. It's actually my home, and I'd like to say something about exactly in this time. Those who exactly want to learn English like me, so I'd like to talk to them. So they are should most of the time they are try to at least practice. So exactly practice, practice and practice, because of there is no alternative way to practice. So if you want to speak, say something in English like another people's, so you should try to learn in English, because of English is an international language, and it's more beneficial things for our society. So that's why you should try learn English, as well as, what can I say, I mean, you should try, say for example you are a student, and at the same time you can try to learn English as well as. So this is the things. So thanks all for watching this video attentively. So have a good day, and see you again my next another video, and pray for me. So thank you. Bye bye.